So for years, certification was sort of something that was not held in importance. It wasn't a great thing to have or even go for. A lot of times recruiting other HR professionals didn't require you to have that certification to get in the door. Today it's changed.
I'm a strong believer in a SHRM certification because it's more holistic. It builds in business acumen. It builds in knowledge about human resource topics, as well as just being a good professional. And those are things that you really can't learn out of a textbook, in school. You can get some of that during your experience as an HR professional, but getting certified brings it all together.
So the certification that SHRM offers is the beginning of your journey as an HR professional. It should make you more curious. How can I go beyond the stuff I've just been taught and really make it go to the next level and make it more strategic, more agile, etc. So it's a starting point. It makes you more curious. It should as an HR professional. So how can I get even better?